Thank you for your interest in Bimser International Corporation. Bimser International is a passionate enterprise software development company based in New York while it has global presence. Bimser has been developing enterprise software products since 1998. Bimser is a certified SAP ISV partner, a Microsoft Gold ISV partner, Acumatica ISV partner and MYOB ISV software partner. In addition, Bimser is very active in Sage, Oracle and many other ERP and business software product ecosystems as well. Bimser has 1,000+ world-class and happy corporate customers globally. As your digital transformation and digital innovation partner, at Bimser International, we believe in the power of simplicity. Simplicity increases productivity, secures compliance, boosts employee and customer satisfaction, reduces cost and improves bottom line at any workplace. Our enterprise software products make this belief come true anywhere in the world. Enterprise software product range of Bimser International is ready to work on cloud and on-premise servers. Product range is as follows. 1. QDMS. QDMS is the best friend of quality and compliance managers and teams. It is a quality, risk and compliance management software product. QDMS helps companies comply with quality management standards such as ISO, BRC, BRCIOP, SQF, FDA, GMP and many more other quality and management standards in a digital environment with no need of paper. It has reputable national and international references. 2. BIM. BIM is the best friend of maintenance managers, facility managers and teams. It is an enterprise maintenance and asset management system with asset, maintenance, skill, energy, purchasing and spare part management capabilities. BIM helps you manage periodic, preventive and predictive maintenance management operations. BIM has reputable national and international references. 3. EBA. It is an enterprise content management platform. It is an automation, document management, workflow, records management and intelligent data capture platform. EBA helps you have a paperless work environment thanks to its digital business process automation platform. EBA has reputable national and international references. 4. Ensemble. It is a business process management, performance management and balanced scorecard management software. Ensemble has reputable national and international references. Bimser International is actively partnering with qualified software companies as solution partners in the United States and other parts of the world. Thank you for listening. Please visit us online at www.bimserint.com.